Hey, what's up guys? Welcome Hey, what's up guys? This is Casey Gardner and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning. And today is May 6, 2018 and we are about to go to Pangasinan. North. Tara naman tayo north. Guess what? We are about to leave by 5 a.m. And mga kakagising lang ng mga tao dito. It's already 4:30 a.m. Kamusta naman? Ang dami kong dala, guys. This is so freaking heavy. I can't even leave it by one hand. This camera bag, GoPro, Karma. Hopefully we're going to be using this. Telesin, dome port. 4:30 na. Pero wala pa rin nag-ready. Be right back. Woo! And now we're packing our things in the car. Look guys, 5 a.m. guys. Nangyari. And it's already 6 in the morning. We're just about to leave. Why are you laughing? Huh? Who wants to go to the beach? Okay, ako na lang may gusto.
2 hours later.
Yan, kunyari nag-Starbucks, pero nag-CR lang. Ganun lang tayo. Kung tayo mga social climber tayo. Ang tagal nila. On the other side, so when your tears go down, go. And now we're already in Pangasinan. And we're just going to eat first, have some lunch, and then maybe check in a while. I don't know kung nagpo-focus na yan. Nagpo-focus na siya. Yes! Woo. Hey, what's up?
Hello!
It's closed? Oh my God. Balik. Hanap ulit. Hey. Hanap na lang ulit na ibang restaurant. Bye. And now we're at Maxine by the Sea. And actually, this is just a few hundred meters from where we are going to stay. So, bakit ayaw mag-focus? Ayan na. I don't know kung bakit kung saan pa kami nakapagpunta kanina.
Dahil nga daw sa kambing ng mama mo.
O dahil daw sa kambing. Dahil naghahanap sila ng kambing kanina. Ayun, napadpad kami sa gubat. Kasi naman, 100 Island, dapat seafood, hindi kambing. Oh, legit by the sea nga. Oh, pretty. Wow. Maxine by the sea. Now, I don't know if you could see it, guys. Wait lang, focus natin. Ano ba yung mag-focus? I think those are the 100 Islands. Yeah. It's so pretty. Yung mga boats going to those 100 islands. Just so you can see, this is what I'm using now. Well, not now, but what I'm going to be using. Para mas madali ang booking natin. Guys, I'm so freaking hungry. It's already midday. We've been traveling all day. We did not stop for breakfast or anything else. I need food. And yeah. Yun, I just changed my vlogging cam for a while. This is what I'm using a while ago.
Sabi ni Kuya?
What? What's that?
Bulaga.
Wow. Natapon? Sarap? Ha? Sarap ba? Mukhang na napapadami kayo dyan, ha? Napapadami kayo dyan, eh. Comment ko lang, sana meron silang harang dito kasi yung mga tissue lumilipad din sa ano. And like, sayang naman. Actually, the food tastes good, but I was not able to taste the shrimp. Ayun na, na-stop na naman. Lumipad na naman yung tissue. So, ayan. I was not able to taste the shrimp because I was allergic to shrimp. And overall, like the chicken tastes nice. Calamares tastes nice. The chop suey is very nice. And obvious ba? Kahit ako nakakain ng shrimp.
Potato.
Ano masabi sa shrimp? Ano masabi mo sa shrimp pa?
A few moments later.
Hi! Hi! Hi kids! Halika dito, dali. 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 Dali! We're about to fetch some mangoes.
You can do it, Casey. Okay. Down, one down. All right. Yeah, isang hila ba sa taas? Yun. You can do it. Okay. Go ahead.
Kapagod, no? Para sa mangga. Dumayo kami ng Pangasinan para mamitas ng mangga.
Count of 1, 2, 3.
Ay, aray ko, tumama.
1, 2, 3. Oh!
Pawis na pawis na ako, no? Gosh, ang init. Buhay probinsya, guys. Talaga pumunta kami ng Pangasinan para dito. Kaya pa? Okay, saan naman tayo pupunta? Ha? Sin.
May iba ka mapang. Sundot.
Sin ulit.
Yung may hawak ka dyan sa ano, May.
Takot siya. Oo, natuloy yung tagta sa damit ko. Tamis? What's that ba?
Yan, tubo mo na.
Wala na yung kamachil.
Tubo mo na. Makrunchy.
Magbabuyan tayo dito. Oh, hi piggies! Hindi ko kaya, Moy. Hindi ko kaya, Moy. And now, dito na kami. And hey, tonight we're going to be staying at Pravara Natividad. Oh, may butike. Pension house. Dito sa Pangasinan, uso ang pension houses. You can find pension houses almost everywhere, more than hotels. I'm going to give you a quick room tour. And this is our room. So actually, we are 12. Lahat kami dito magsisiksikan. Diyan kami ni Sean, sila Mama. It's just small, pero I think it's worth it. Right here, there is a common kitchen that's quite big. Hi, Grandma! Yeah, this is the... Ito yung mga mangga na pinitas namin kanina. So, yeah. We're just going to be preparing some things. For tonight, maybe have some dinner. Yeah.
Day 2.
And we're about to go to the 100 Island. Hi! It's already 6:30 a.m. in the morning. 6:30 a.m. in the morning. It's already 6:30 in the morning. And look, the weather is absolutely great. I don't know if you can see, guys, but I believe that those are the 100 Islands. And right down there, so this is the Governor's Island. Ay, may tao pala sa taas. Hi, Kuya.
Woohoo!
And we're at the Governor's Island. We're about to have some little little. So apparently at the Governor's Island, we're going to have a little hike. Doon sa malayo, medyo nakikita namin na merong small grotto. May mall daw sa taas.
Oh my God!
Nag-vlog-vlogan ng tita ko in Gitera.
Oh my God!
Tingnan-tingin kasi sa dinadaanan, hindi sa binavlog. And we're at the top of the Governor's Island. That was quite some hike. I was not prepared for that. Halfway through those steps, no one was already talking. Then everyone was like, hindi pa pala yun yung top. Ito na talaga yung top. Yeah. There's a zip line. So that is the Children's Island. Scout Island.
Take our time to win.
So we're here at the Quezon Island, and they're having a swim right there. And guess what, guys? I actually brought the drone with me, and did you see that? I'm gonna give you some aerial shots. Tiffany. Hi. Ano, nagutom na. Yung baon. So, if you're going to go here, maybe prepare some snacks, some packed lunch, and some drinks as well. All you can, but remember, at the information desk, there is a policy na you have to deposit 200 pesos, then you should bring your trash with you back. So, yung 200 pesos na yun, mababalik lang kapag nabalik mo yung trash bag kasama yung mga basura. So, it's a good campaign for 100 islands to keep the islands clean. So, yeah, may involvement with the tourists as well. And now we're at the Island. So, ayan. There are bats. I believe I can fly. Ano yun? Ay ka na? That was fun. We're going to go back up for another jump. Try niya yung jump niya. Kasi mukha siyang palaka.
Oh my God. Hindi ako marunong.
2, 3, go! Uy, may tsunami! May tsunami! Lumindol! So, for lunch for today, nakalabas na siya. We have, and then some fish. Konakati. Ganito buhay namin sa probinsya. Ganito buhay sa isla. And we're back. Grabe, sobrang init. Sure. May technique ako dyan. Kung gusto niya lumamig yung kotse niyo, this is what you're going to do. Open one window, then do this repeatedly. Seryoso, it's legit. O see, nawala yung init. This is one good thing about Haunted Islands. Their way of cleaning and maintaining the tourism spot clean. Now we're going to refund. See those? That's our trash. See? 200. Oh, next time. Okay, thank you. So we just got home. From a very long drive. It's already 1 in the morning. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like button, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And remember, this is Casey Gardner, where your world meets mine. Bye!